I'm going to talk about how to get a budget. As we know, a budget is a calculation of the expense or income of a certain period of time. To know more about this, I invite you to finish watching the video. It is very important that we know how to make our budget, because in this way we're preventing broke. As we know, most people are in debt because they spend too much and do not organize themselves. For this, they should know how to live within your means. What is the purpose of obtaining a budget? In this way, you know how you handle your money. Many times, people go bankrupt because they don't know how to manage their expenses. With a budget, you can locate in which area you are spending too much. Types of expenses. Before starting your budget, you should know that there are two types of expenses. For example, paying for electricity, water, rent. Fixed expenditure. It is one that cannot be avoided and will always generate consumption. And the other one is variable expenditure. It is one that does not always show up. For example, travel, buying clothes. Next, I will show you how you should make your budget. To start, you must know what your fixed salary is. All this, I recommended you write it down. Then, your real salary is to say your land with taxes, to really know how much money you have. Then, you will have to make a list of all the expenses that you have. For example, pay the rent, the lights, the water, the pantry. For each expense, you will have to put the money that you want to occupy, and on the other hand, you will write the money that you have for each activity. For example, if I want to spend 500 pesos in the pantry, but I only have 200, I will see in my list what things I can remove. That is to say something that it is not indispensable, in order to complete it and pay what I need. It is important to always save money because, as we know, there are always unforeseen events, and we must be prepared for them. This is how you get a budget, and it is important that everything is well organized, so you do not have an imbalance.